Oke, kita lanjut lagi main Tokyo Dark. Jadi di episode kemarin itu terakhir kita ngomong sama si siapa Akang-akang yang di tokonya sepi itu, terus nanya soal chat, soal sewer, dan katanya dia pernah lihat bapak-bapak gendut sama cewek keluar dari sewer itu. Berarti bapak-bapak yang itu yang dimaksud adalah bapak-bapak yang ada di bar yang sama cewek yang nyuruh minum. Oke, kita continue dulu. Sebenarnya kata-kata itu juga agak kelewat. Gue sampai harus nonton ulang apa yang gue mainin sebelumnya, baru dapet tuh. Oh, ternyata begitu. Oke, berarti kita balik lagi ke bar, ke apa nih, tempat minum-minum ini ya. Enter, masuk aja langsung dah. Nah, cewek ini nih. Duk, cek duk duk. Sewer. Nah, kita tanya siapa ya? Tanya bapak-bapak ini dulu deh. Excuse me, I've got a minute. So say someone fitting your description. Nah, baca sendiri aja ya. Flirt, flirt atau threaten. Kayaknya sih bapak-bapak ini jagonya di ini nih. Ya, kalau gue bingung mau nanya cewek ini apa enggak ya. Bapak-bapak ini aja deh. Hey, do you mind if I sit here? Sorry, I was so rude. Isn't there someone? Jago juga nih ngomong nih. Kocak. Just the two of us. Just the two of... Oh, yeah, sure. I know this little hotel or there. This wild little spot. I only take my most special girls. But you'd have to play nice. You think I'm special, don't you? Why don't you give me a chance to prove it to you? Bener-bener bukan buat bocah. I'd make it worth you while if you know what I mean. Haha, yeah, I think I do. Well, whoever taught you about the sound drain spoiled the surprise. See, my special little spots in the sewer. Mantap. But there's a trick to opening it that only I know. I guess I can tell you. It's real simple. If you twist the left mouse bar, oh yang paling kiri, to the right while twisting the other next to it to the left, pop off. Bet you are thinking I'm pretty smart. Oh, jadi diputer buat bisa dibuka barnya. Mantap. Yeah, I think you are really smart. Why don't you let me go ahead so I can change into new outfit, okay? Wait up for me, okay? Aduh, profesionalismnya ngurang 100. Ya udah, nggak bisa ditanya lagi. Oke lah. Aduh. Kita udah nemu caranya buka bar, caranya buka sewer. Kita cobain. Sewer drain, enter. Sewer drain dulu deh. Nah, yang kiri diputar. Oh. Nice. Lights.
あれは
Oke, Oh, kayak emang ruangan khusus ini. Terus ini tali-tali buat apa ya? Sini apa? Ini keluar. Ini foto.
うわ
Ya ampun. Ya ampun. Seeing that probably took a few years of my life. The photo is in good shape. I guess it was probably taken recently. Man, kenapa gue harus lihat yang kayak gini? Sanity. Sanity-nya ngurang. Apa nih? Shrine Gate. Look. Blood. Look. Ini dulu deh.
興味深いわ
I wonder what the Shrine's Gate's doing down here after all this time. Maybe the builders were too superstitious to destroy it when the sewer was built. Oh, jadi ada sumur, kemudian dibangun sewer itu saluran air bawah tanah. Tapi sumurnya nggak dihancurin. Mungkin takut gitu, takut pamali. Oke. Look. A thin, freshly painted line of red paint runs slowly down the wall toward the well. Oke, baru kita lihat. Blood.
これは
The same fresh paint used on the wall, and then whoever painted it must be close. It's gamble, but I could try getting down there barehanded. Gotta think there's something around here I could use to climb down more safely. Oke, kita cari buat climb down safely. Apa ya? Ini kali ya. Apa ya yang bisa... lampu.
あれは
Enggak, ini. Oh, rope on salaryman. Nah, kan ada tali tuh. Jadi foto ini dibawa buat nge-blackmail si dia. Nah, investigation, exit. Ya, gue bisa aja sih tadi turun ada pilihannya climb down, tapi no, better safety. Kita ambil tali. Tapi kalau balik lagi kan cowoknya nungguin ya, nggak apa-apa lah. Kita coba aja. Udah belum? Nah, Butterfly Club. I have reason to believe you might be carrying a rope on you. I need it. Yeah, I think you do. Anyway, I don't know anything about some rope or whatever. I don't have time for this. Why was there an illegal? Well, in your case, it definitely should be. No, it's not. Breaking into a sewer to do it, however, is, and this picture is pretty strong evidence to put you at the scene, don't you think? Say, why don't I trade you? I'll give you that rope and you can give me that picture. I was just about to suggest something similar, except I keep the rope and the picture, and in exchange you get to stay out of jail tonight. Fine, just take it. You know what? I'm starting to think you might not be my type. Profesionalismenya ini nurun, bodoh ah. Tapi investigasinya nambah terus. Jadi kalau lu kerja sebagai detektif, mungkin lu mau pilih kasusnya kelar tapi nggak profesional, atau profesional tapi kasus ya kelar juga. Gua nggak tahu sih, kagak ngerti. Kita lanjutin aja ceritanya. Enter. Kenapa harus ada scene ini lagi sih? Gue kan takut. Oke, sekarang kita udah punya tali. Kita bisa turun. Use rope to climb down. The rope is tin and I know it's been used, but it's all I've got here. Here goes nothing. Oke, tempat baru. Wah, nggak ada cahaya. Wajir, goblok. Apaan itu? Serem anjir. At long last, I found Kazuki. His hands were bound and his head was covered by a dirty blood-stained sack. I'd gone in all business, ready to handle the situation quickly, get everyone home safe, and go back to a normal life. My plans went out the window the minute I made out his captor's face. It was a face I knew very well. 6 months ago in Kamamura, Kazuki and I encountered her in a hostage situation gone wrong. She died, the cold eyes and apa sih ini bacanya? Unhinged smile that stared at me from the shadow at the end of the tunnel belonged to a girl 6 months dead. I stood frozen to the spot, unable to speak as I faced down the impossible. It must be a trick. That's why my subconscious whispered to me over to drown out the sound of my beating heart. Jadi dia kaget lihat cewek yang 6 bulan lalu udah dikabarkan meninggal. The girl wasn't surprised to see me. In fact, it seemed that my shock and surprise was that she had won. Oh, jadi dia pengen ngelihat dia kaget emang. Jadi kita belum tahu dia ini hantu atau kematiannya dipalsukan sama dia. The fact remained that I was alone. I had not told Yukimura where I was, and Tanaka's life was in her hand. It was me and her alone, detective and a girl straight from the nightmare. Ayami-chan, it has been a while after all. Di waktu lagi, gua harus fokus nih. I'm not driving weapon, so you have no need of yours. You do? How cute. You hear that, Tanaka? She want to talk. That's right. We can work something out. No one needs to get hurt. Don't worry, Tanaka. I'll get you out here. Ito, no, get out of here. Please run. That's enough, all you. You stay nice and quiet until us girls are done talking. Ah, serem banget aja gue liatnya, serem. Talk, I'm waiting. Not so easy when the knife is pointing towards someone you care about instead of some random girl. I'm not falling for it. You are not the same girl. That girl is dead. Oh, she is? Well, gee, if I'd known that, it would have saved me a lot of trouble. You keep looking at my knife. What, you don't like it? It's so pretty. No one has to get hurt. No, someone always get hurt. Besides, I don't want to hurt him, Ayami-chan. No, I'd never want to hurt Tanaka, but I have to. Don't you see? It's the only way. Kok gue kayak orang bego ngomong gini ya? Shh. Do you hear that voice whisper? It's a lot like Kamakura, isn't it, Ayami-chan? Anjing, goblok. Itu apa lagi? It worked. I was right. Now Tanaka will be able to come with me to the dock. Things will be different this time. He'll help me find the door and everything will change. I won't be alone anymore. And guess what? Good news. We don't need you anymore. No one needs a nasty woman like you. Banyak banget omongannya. Sampai capek gue bacain. That what you did, Kamamura, wasn't fault, but I know better. No, I don't want nothing about those things. I don't like it. Let's change to the subject. Say bye-bye to Tanaka, he's coming with me. Faced with the impossible, my mind raced in every direction to come up with a logical explanation. The clothes, the hair, the mannerism were all the same, but I still didn't believe. It was when she mentioned the voice that my defense began to wear down. There was no way she could have known about that. I'd put in my reports, and me and Tanaka didn't talk about it. I began to accept that girl I faced really was the same girl. As I saw the clean of the blade, the smell of cherry blossom began to mix with the sting of rancid sewage. My command to drop the knife only tightened her grip on the handle, and it inched closer and closer to Kazuki's throat. If I planned on keeping him safe, I had to think of something fast. Something fast! Attempt arrest. Ask about Kamamura. Tuh, investigationnya nambah. Jangan cepet-cepet ngeluarin pistol. How are you here in Kamamura? Kamamura tuh nama tempat ya? Oh, si goblok. No, it wasn't like this. Duh, gue gak suka yang kagetin gitu. Ayami, there's nothing you can do. I know it's confusing, but you have to run. It's your only chance to get out of this. Oh, you be a good little boy and hush now. Jadi kayaknya si cewek ini nggak mau si cowok ini ngeluarin rahasianya yang si Ayami nggak tahu. All I want in Kamamura was the mask, but you are hiding it from me. Mask? I've been searching for it for so long, Ayami-chan. So many different shrines. Then Tanaka showed up. He didn't look at me like I was some sort of rabid little animal, not like all the others. No, not my Tanaka. He wants to help me, really help me. And I almost believe he would before he showed up. Jantung gua gara-gara itu apa? Kan gua lagi baca. Oh, jadi si Tanaka ngasih topengnya. What? You don't believe me? He doesn't care about you, remember? He wants to help me. But the mask wouldn't wake up. Not like it did in Kamamura. It won't walk if it's not awake. Jadi mask itu bisa bangun. Apa sih? Oh, but Ayami, it worked. Everyone always called me stupid, but look at me now. Tanaka and I will be together and I'll finally find the door. But first I have to send him there. I'm sorry, Tanaka, it's the only way you can help me. I want you to help me, please, you promised. And you, Ayami-chan, you can watch. Even though it made sense, the girl truly believed every word she said. When she talked about Kazuki, her eyes lit up as if she really believed he was her savior. The situation was deteriorating, and her grip on the knife hadn't loosened up a bit. I had to keep her talking. What's the dog? Let me help you. Let me help you. I don't know how you are here, but you are not beyond saving. Anjing. You want help? Alright, I get that. So let me help you. Shut up. You don't care about me. No one cares about me. My whole life, people have told me they want to save me, they want to love me. You are sick, and if you let me help you... No, be quiet. Tanaka said that before, didn't he? Back then he said it wasn't real, that he could make it better. He was wrong. I'm not sick. You see me, don't you? Do you still think I'm sick? Kampret. You could never have. Jadi endingnya begitu. God. Ini apa nih? Aduh, ngobrol sama kucing ya. Fluffington, how are you today? Dia bisa balas. Glad you're so happy. I guess Kazuki already left. Oke, ini 6 bulan yang lalu, saat si perempuan itu masih hidup. Nanti ya, go to bedroomnya. Look at laptop dulu. Nih, kita baca. An elderly man was attacked, seriously injured while emerging from a shrine in Kanda, Tokyo Province. The man, Takada Isao, 74 tahun, sustained injuries his head and abdomen. Gila, serem banget. Including several lacerations, and was admitted to a nearby hospital where he remains in stable but critical condition. According to the police, eyewitnesses report hearing a struggle around and shouting from a young-sounding voice. When asked if any witnesses had seen the suspect, police said that. Baca sendiri ya. Lack of a specific pattern. Dead cats in front of a shrine gate. Okay. Oke guys, kayaknya harus gua sudahin ya. Banyak kagetnya tadi gua, benar-benar mendebarkan. Gua baru kali ini main game horor, seru, tapi jantung gua masih perlu beradaptasi. Jadi ini ceritanya 6 bulan yang lalu ketika perempuan tadi dikatakan masih hidup. Dan ini cerita tentang investigasinya dimulai kayak gitu. Kita lanjut besok. Dadah.